Dear students, welcome in science class. Class 10, Unit 14, Invertebrates. Topics: Silkworm. Types of silkworm. Life cycle of silkworm. Economic importance of silkworm. Honey bee. Types of honey bee. Life cycle of honey bee. Economic importance of honey bee. Silkworm. A type of moth which prepares silk fiber is called silkworm. Silkworm are of two types: Seri silkworm, Bombyx mori, Eri silkworm, Attacus ricini. Seri silkworm feeds on mulberry leaves. Eri silkworm feeds on castor leaves. External structure of silkworm. It is creamy white in color. Body has head, thorax and abdomen. It has a pair of antennae and 3 pairs of legs. It has 2 pairs of wings for flight. Life cycle of silkworm. Life cycle of silkworm consists 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, adult. Egg. An adult female silk moth lays 300 eggs. The silk moth dies after laying eggs. The size of each egg is about pinhead. The larva is hatched in about a week. The eggs of silkworm are kept in cold storage. To control the hatching of eggs into larvae during off seasons of mulberry leaves. Larva. Larva has head, thorax and abdomen. It is voracious eater. It feeds on mulberry leaves. It moults for 4 times. On each moulting, it does not eat and rest for 20 to 24 hours. The salivary gland of fifth instar larva produces a type of fluid which converts into silk fiber. The silk threads get wrapped around the body of larva, forming a round case, is called cocoon. Pupa. The pupa stage is an inactive stage. In this stage, it does not eat and move. This stage remains 12 to 14 days. The pupa metamorphoses into adult. The cocoon is kept in the hot water. For killing pupa and getting silk threads without cutting by adult silk moth. Adult. The metamorphosis of pupa forms an adult silkworm. It has 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. It lives for 5 to 7 days. Economic importance. People can earn money producing the silk fiber. It gives silk fiber, which is also called queen of fibers, because it is soft, shiny, stronger, warmer in winter and cool in summer. Honeybee. A type of insect which gives honey is called honeybee. Honeybee are of 3 types: worker bee, drone bee, queen bee. Queen bee. It is female fertile bee in the colony. It is largest bee in the colony. It mates with drone bee and lays eggs in hive. It produces a type of smell so all the bee can identify their hive. Drone bee. It is male fertile bee in the colony. It is bigger than worker bee but smaller than queen bee. It mates with queen bee during nuptial flight. Worker bee. It is sterile female bee in the colony. It is smallest bee in the colony. It collects the nectar from flowers. It guards the hive. It cares the larva of bee. Types of bee. The different types of bees found in the world are Apis mellifera, Apis floridii, Apis dorsata, Apis indica, Apis adamsoni. Economic importance of honeybee. It gives us honey, which is nutritious food. It gives us wax to make cream, lotion, and candle. It helps on the pollination of flower. Life cycle of honeybee. Life cycle of honeybee consists 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, adult. Egg. After nuptial flight, queen bee lays eggs in hive. A queen bee lays 3,000 eggs per day. Eggs are white colored. Eggs are hatched to larvae after 3 days. Larva. The stage after 3 days of egg is larva. Larva is voracious eater. Larva period for queen is 5 to 5.5 days. For worker and drone is 6 days. Royal jelly is nutritious food fed for honeybee during its larva stage. Queen bee is fed royal jelly for whole larva period. Drone bee and worker bee are fed royal jelly for 3 days only and given honey and bee bread for rest days. Pupa. The stage of bee after larva is pupa. It is resting and inactive period. The pupa metamorphoses into adult. Pupa stage for queen is 7.5 days, for worker is 12 days, and for drone is 14.5 days. Adult. The stage of bee after pupa stage is called adult stage. Queen bee takes 16 days, worker bee takes 21 days, and drone bee takes 23.5 days to become adult stage. Honey bee is called social insect because they live in colony and they have fine work division as well as they make honey for us. The fertilized egg of bee consists 32 chromosomes and unfertilized egg consists 16 chromosomes.